In today's video, I want to show you how you can stop Claude AI from training on your data. By default, Claude can use your chats to help train its models, and if you would rather keep your conversations private, you can turn that off in one setting. So it's very simple, just want to open your Claude. You can open it either on desktop or browser version, then click on your profile in bottom left corner. You want to navigate to settings. In the settings, you want to look for privacy. And here you should see this help improve our AI models. And by default, this is turned on. So if you don't want to train models on your chats, you need to turn this by yourself. So I'm going to toggle this off. And good to know is that anything that was already used for training in the past can be pulled back out. So this only affects the things which are going forward. So from now, it's not going to help improve the anthropic AI models if I turn this off now. And also I want to mention one thing. For example, if you have maybe some answers, I'm going to type just very quickly hi. Under each answer, you should see thumbs up and thumbs down. So if you click, for example, on thumbs up and you're going to submit this, this might be still kept and used no matter like what your settings is. So this is good to know as well. And that's all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.